Hi, Nischay. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So, how are you?
Fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
Yeah, fine. So, myself, Meenu. I'm from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. So, just give me an introduction about yourself, Nischay.
My name is Nischay. I'm from Mandya. I completed my BE in Civil Engineering in PES College of Engineering, Mandya. After that, I joined for a certificate course of Construction Management with BIM in
Okay,
CMTI.
yeah. So you have done certified course with BIM, right? So
Yes,
you can just tell detail about the course. What are the things you have learned? What are the things you have undergone? So you can just tell me regarding it.
okay, ma'am. In CMTI, I learned reading of drawings, material calculation, unit conversion, sequence of construction, methodology of construction, and bar bending schedules.
Okay, so these things you have learned, right? You
Yes, ma'am.
went for the site visit all. How was the
Yes.
site visit? So what are things you have learned? How was the experience?
I visited showrooms like IKEA, IBO, Material Depot, and I visit some construction site visits also like Victoria Hospital and Greenhouse Building. It is more useful to do work basis on the learning in their visiting of site visit.
Okay, so yeah. So how did you crack your interview? You can just tell. So
I cracked my interview basis on the guidelines of Natarajan sir. Sir is giving some guidelines before going to interview. With the help of the Natarajan sir, I will crack the interview.
oh, that's nice. Okay, so how was our trainers? You did you feel comfortable with them? So
Yes, ma'am, they are so comfortable. They clear doubts in their classes only.
okay, so how was our staff coordination, CMTI staffs? So did you felt so all the things were coordinated well, or did you feel comfortable with them also? What are the things?
Yes, ma'am, I feel comfortable with them also.
Okay, yeah, you know regarding CMTI app, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
so how the things were going on that? So did you like the app and these things?
Yes, ma'am, I like the app. It is so useful to learn in the online after listening class in the offline, ma'am.
Okay. Once again, very happy for your feedback and congratulations. Okay.
Thank you.
Have successful future. We
Thank you.
wish you a good luck.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for your feedback, Nischay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.